So, hello everyone. I will start with a new general file in a Blender. Delete the light and the camera. Select the cube. I will add subdivision surface modifier. Level 2. Apply it. Go to front view. Enable X-ray. Go to edit mode. Go to face selection and select those faces and those two. Delete them. Go to right view or left view as you want. Select those faces, delete them too. So right now we have this quarter and go to vertices selection. Select this vertex, connect them by pressing J. I will use knife tool, creating an edge here. Okay, don't forget the shortcuts, so it's easy for you to follow along with me. Then go to object mode and add mirror modifier. And don't forget clipping. Apply it. Apply the mirror. So right now we have a sphere, a new sphere with the new edges. Add subdivision surface one more time, level 1, apply it. Go to edit mode, go to front view. If you note here, we have a sphere shape, but it's not 100% spherical. So I will select all faces or edges, go to mesh, transform to sphere, press anywhere, you will get this menu, make the factor 1. So right now we have a 100% spherical shape. Go to edge selection, press and hold Alt, press, select this edge, press and hold Alt with Shift, and keep selecting the edges here like me. Don't forget the shortcuts. So if you enable X-ray, you will see we have new edges like a basketball. I will bevel them, not too much, maybe. I think this is good. Make the segments too. Now save the selection by going here, plus, and rename the group here 1, then assign. If you press here, then you can hit select, you will select them again. Press Ctrl minus. Okay, I will bevel the edges here too. Like this. I think this is good. Okay, make the segments just 1. Save them in another group. I will name the group 2 and assign the group. Okay, go to object mode. I will add subdivision surface modifier and level 2, shade smooth. Go to edit mode again, enable proportional editing, press Alt S and move the wheel of the mouse and press and hold shifts and move the mouse inside a little like so. And if you want, you can press one time I, so, and set them a little like this. Go to object mode again, so we have a beautiful basketball. I will go here, go to uh, go to edge selection. I will select this edge first and hold and press Alt and Shift. Select this edge. This keep selecting. Right click. Make theme. Go to face selection. Select all faces. Right click. UV unwrap. Faces unwrap. Okay. After that, I will go to material tab, make the main material orange like this. Okay, I will give it some roughness. Okay, I will go to add one more material. I will make it black and name it black too. Not full black, give it some roughness too. Go to edit mode, select, go here, select faces number 2, select, apply the black material, assign. So right now we have the basic materials. I will go to shade editor, to the orange material. First of all, add Voronoi texture here. From distance, add color ramp, color ramp. Then from color ramp to bump height. Then from normal to normal here. Okay, I will play with the colors here, the black and white. Maybe I have to increase the size, invert the pump. Okay, the random make it 0. Okay, I will make this maybe 150. Okay, then select the Voronoi texture, press Ctrl T. If you don't, if you cannot add the mapping, you have to go here. Then sorry, to edit. You have to be sure that Wrangler node Wrangler is enabled. Okay, after that I will disconnect this, and from vector to UV, you can play with the roughness. For example, I will add I will play with the roughness. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumb and subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching.